Hello everyone, welcome back to Hazel Embroidery. I'm Ritu Jain and today we learn the split stitch. It is a beautiful stitch that's perfect for outlining shapes, flowers, stems, lettering and textured lines. Let's begin. Bring your needle up through the fabric at your starting point. Now take the needle down one stitch length ahead to make your first short straight stitch. Now insert the needle from the front right into the center of the previous stitch. Try and split evenly to create neat, consistent stitches. Don't worry if your first few stitches aren't perfect. Like every embroidery stitch, split stitch also becomes more natural with a little practice. Thank you for stitching with me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to Hazel Embroidery for more beginner-friendly embroidery lessons. Happy stitching!